If your security door lock is jammed or broken, fixing it fast is key to keeping your home safe and chill. Alright, so first off, try giving the lock a little spray with some lubricant like graphite powder or a silicone-based spray. You don't want to use oil because it can gum up over time. If that doesn't do the trick, check if the lock is misaligned with the strike plate. Sometimes just loosening the screws and adjusting it a bit can get things moving smoothly again. Another tip is to clean out any dirt or debris inside the lock mechanism with compressed air or a small brush. If the lock cylinder won't turn at all, you might need to remove it and inspect for broken parts inside. When replacing a lock, make sure you pick one that matches your door's thickness and backset measurement so it fits right without fuss. Always keep a backup key handy before you start messing around with locks. You don't want to get locked out. And don't forget to test the new lock several times before calling it done, just to be sure it's working smoothly. If you're ever unsure, calling a locksmith can save you from making things worse and keep your home secure. One of the biggest mistakes people make with a jammed or broken security door lock is trying to force the key or handle, which can totally wreck the mechanism. Instead, gently wiggle and try lubricating first. Another common issue is ignoring misalignment between the door and lock components, which causes jamming. Fix this by adjusting the strike plate or hinges to line everything up properly. Finally, using the wrong type of replacement lock is a huge problem because it won't fit or work right. Always measure your door and buy a lock designed for your door's size and type to avoid headaches. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the stress because it connects you with pros who actually know their stuff. For contractors, it's a sweet way to get real work from people nearby who need reliable help with their home projects.